cabeza. We got torpedo head back. We got torpedo head back, bro.
Is every game like this? I didn't know the Premier League was this easy. They said the Bundesliga was a farmers' league. They said Ligue 1 was a farmers' league. But this turned out to be a farmers' league as well. Because every team we face is men against boys. Sheffield United had no chance from minute 1. And people say it's only Sheffield United. Sheffield United don't lose 6-0 regularly. We're the only team to do this to every single team. Just look at this. 6-0, 4-1, 5-0, 6-0, 5-0. Arsenal now hold the record for the most successive wins in the Premier League this season with 7. And people really think we're not going to win the Premier League. You must be deluded.
After beating Sheffield United and Burnley, now we're going to win the league, guys. We're going to win the league. Doesn't matter. We're going to win it. It's nailed on. We're going to win the league. We're going to win the league. What are you talking about? Farmers League. This Philadelphia that's talking about Farmers League. This torpedo head is talking about Farmers League, bro. What are you chatting about? Farmers League. Was it a Farmers League when we lost to Fulham? Was it a Farmers League when we lost to West Ham? Was it a Farmers League when we lost to Aston Villa? Was it a Farmers League? Was it a Farmers League? Yeah? Farmers League. I tell you what, you Philly da puta. You cocky Philly da puta, yeah? You're the same person that was saying, but the French league is a Farmers League. Yeah. Lons managed to beat us. Do we not spend more money than them? Have we not got a better manager, you'd believe, than them? Are we not a bigger club than them? How can their Farmers League Lons that... Where's Lons right now? Let me go. Where's Lons right now? Where are they? Yeah? That's the Champions League. Where is it? League 1. They're 6th in the Farmers League. In a Farmers League, they're 6th. Yeah? How were they able to beat Arsenal? Yeah? Let's talk about Farmers Leagues. Yeah? Farmers Leagues. Yeah? Let's talk about Farmers Leagues. Most of the Europa League has got a lot of these teams from the Farmers Leagues that you don't rate. How come, yeah, we've been beat by teams like Sporting, teams like flipping Villarreal, teams like flipping Olympiacos, and teams like that, and we weren't even able to win a Europa League. We weren't able to win a Europa League. How come? Since they're all Farmers Leagues and it's all easy and we're just going to cuss these teams like they're rubbish because we're going to be snobby about, oh, the Premier League is this and the Premier League is that. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you... I guess you can't see it. The same way we can't see the back of the start of that flipping hairline. The same way we can't see that, you can't see the fact that this doesn't determine anything. Beating these teams mean nothing. Arsenal tend to perform when there's no pressure off. How did we perform against a Farmers League Nottingham Forest last season when the pressure was on? Oh, yeah, we folded. Yeah, folded. So when you disrespect these teams about, oh, they're Farmers Leagues, oh, they're nothing, oh, it doesn't mean anything, I will quickly deal with them. How come we didn't deal with them? Do you know what I'm saying? Please relax and don't come out with this rubbish, bro. I'm done with this clown, bro. This absolute clown. Do you know what I'm saying? What are you talking about? We've beat a couple of teams that we're supposed to beat. That's what I'm expecting. It's phase 4. You man told me, give it 4 years. Oh, look at what Klopp done. Give it 4 years. What are you chatting about? We're expected to beat these teams. But is that what we're going to be up against every flipping... Bruv, whatever, man. Our record against these Farmers Leagues in Europe has been horrendous. We've lost to some of these teams that are Farmers League teams this season. So let's not go on like we're so beyond it. And the Porto that you man will say, who's Porto? Well, we'll blitz Porto. Porto's dead. The Champions League is rubbish this year. The Champions League ain't the same this year. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We lost against them. We lost against them. So what are we talking about? We're halfway of getting eliminated against phase 1 Champions League Porto. So when you're disrespecting all these teams, how come we're not blitzing all these teams? Because these are games that we lost. Bro, don't come in with this book. I don't cansado dessa porcaria, bro. Absolutely cansado of this rubbish, bro.